Hi, everyone. Welcome to EasyList channel.
Hi! We are so happy you are here with us today.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Mark.
And I'm Sarah. We are so happy you are here with us again.
Last time, we talked about thinking in English.
Yes, and many listeners sent us messages and questions.
People said, is it really possible to think in English?
The answer is yes, but step by step.
Sarah, why do you think this skill is important?
Because thinking in your own language and translating takes time.
Sometimes a conversation moves fast.
Exactly. You translate, you build grammar, you check, and time is gone.
The other person is waiting.
And you feel shy or nervous.
Thinking directly in English makes speaking natural.
And more confident.
Even if your sentence is not perfect.
Nobody speaks perfect, not even native speakers.
Let's talk about something simple. Morning time.
Yes, when you open your eyes, think, what time is it? I'm tired. I want more sleep.
Or, I'm hungry. I want breakfast.
You don't need to speak loudly. Just think it.
After you brush your teeth, you can think, my toothbrush is old. I need a new one.
When cooking, the water is boiling. The pan is hot.
Very simple.
Simple but powerful.
Walking outside is like a big classroom.
Yes, look around and name things. Bus, school, traffic, trees, children.
If your English is better, add details. A red bus, tall trees, noisy traffic.
Or describe actions. The children are playing. The dog is barking.
You can also ask yourself simple questions.
Like, where am I going? Why am I late? Should I buy coffee?
That one is very important. Should I buy coffee?
Mark always buys coffee.
That's true. Thinking in English makes my wallet empty.
Many learners only think about objects, but thinking about feelings is helpful too.
For example, I'm nervous. I'm excited. I'm angry. I'm bored.
Or, I miss my family. I need a break.
Feelings are part of life.
And part of language.
When you think your emotions in English, the language becomes personal.
Yes, English becomes part of you.
People always ask, what if I don't know a word?
Great question.
My answer? Don't stop.
For example, you don't know the word umbrella.
Think, the thing that stops rain.
You don't know ceiling.
Think, the top of the room.
Your brain learns to describe.
That is thinking like a language user.
Not like a translator.
This is interesting. When people have a problem, they return to their language.
Because problems are emotional.
Yes, but it's a great chance to practice.
For example, oh no, I lost my keys. I can't find them. Where did I put them?
Or at work, I have a lot to do. I need to focus. I can finish this.
When you say these sentences in English, your brain trains under pressure.
Exactly like exercise.
Hard, but useful.
Okay, here's my favorite trick. Talk to yourself.
In your mind or in your room.
Some people think it's crazy.
It's not crazy, it's smart.
You can pretend someone is asking you questions.
For example, in your mind, how was your day? It was good. I met a friend, we ate lunch.
Or, what are your plans for tonight? I will watch a movie. I want to relax.
It's like creating your own mini podcast in your brain.
A podcast that nobody listens to.
But it changes your life.
So today we talked about thinking during daily life, outside, about feelings, problems, and self-talk.
Yes, and all these small moments help build the habit.
Not in one day.
Not in 1 week.
But slowly, naturally.
Slowly but naturally.
Just like learning to swim, you must get in the water.
Or learning to ride a bicycle, you must fall first.
So don't stop. Keep going.
Thank you for listening to this episode.
We hope you start thinking in English right after this podcast.
Say something in your mind right now in English.
Go on, we're waiting. Okay, now you're thinking.
See you next time.
Take care.
Bye-bye.